Hey guys, another naughty bucket lock, especially one that I really want to get in on my padlock rack in my collection because I don't have it yet in there. It's a ruko padlock in this shape, and I really want that in my collection, but it have to be picked first. And for some reason, I haven't been able to, so of course we are going to try yet again to get this naughty bucket lock open. This doesn't seem to work. Need a tensioner in the bottom of it there. Little click on 2, click on 3, a little bit on 4. Maybe I have overset something. I'm also pushing out the tensioner. So let's reset. Click on 2. 5. 4. I am slowly pushing out the tensioner again. Let's try and put a deeper one in there and see what it says. Can't get under pin 3, so we switch back. And back to the deeper one if I can hold on to it. Three. Five. Come on. It really feels like I'm just missing a pin. And then it should open, but haven't found it. I've made a couple of videos to pre-made them to upload because it doesn't matter to say now because at the point where this one comes out, at this point where when I'm filming this one, I have long since come back home, but I am going on vacation, so for a short while here, a little less than a week, so I'm pre-making some videos, but also just in general, you know, when it's not a series like the Christmas series, for example. When it's not like that, then pre-made videos is fine. When I'm already sitting here, especially the last couple Naughty Bucket videos have been quick and easy, so I can just as well make a bunch of them. So my fingers is a bit tired, so I'm actually gonna stop right about now, unless it opens, of course. And it doesn't. I had 3 pins fall, so some was set, but we didn't get it this time. But we will get it at some point. Yes. Anyway, I hope you still enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.